Let's make color change in our sensory bottles. First, take clear bottles so we can see inside. Now, carefully pour some water into the bottles. Now, we add a few drops of water-based food coloring. I am going to use blue, red, and yellow. Now let's mix the colors in. For this part, let's pour baby oil into each bottle until they're almost full. Now we're going to add a second color. It's oil-based food coloring. I'm going to add yellow, blue, and red. Look how the color floats. Gently swirl to mix the color with the oil. Now, we close the lid. And shake the bottles, yellow and red. Make orange, blue and red. Make purple, blue and yellow. Make green. How cool is that? If you let the bottle rest, the colors separate. And we can shake again.